Hey guys, John from Titan here, and I'm here to stress the importance of blood work and you getting your blood work and getting your blood checked. The reason is you can look like $1 million on the outside and not know what's going on the inside. You need to check different things like your liver, your kidneys, your prostate, your cholesterol, all that good stuff, blood cell counts, but you also need to check your hormones, vitamin deficiencies like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and there's a lot of different things you can check through blood. You can also do food allergy testing through blood through us. You can do STD testing through blood. All the different tests that you can do through blood, you can do through Titan Medical Center. Call us at 727-389-3220, and we can set you up with a lab in your area and zip code. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm in Tampa, Florida right now, getting my blood drawn by the good man Pablo here. He does an excellent job. And I want to do the testing here. If you notice how many tubes of blood that he's getting and the tops are different colors, okay? The reason is they need to get a big enough sample and they need to make sure that blood does not coagulate so they get the correct result. They do not want a skew result. I see a lot of things going on out there about mail home test kits and stuff like that where you prick your finger and you get a little drop and then you send it back in. There's a lot of different things that can happen to that blood. You can get a skewed result, which in turn can give you wrong information. At that point, you're getting scared about something you might not need to be getting scared about. Also, you're not a professional. He's a professional. This is a sterile environment. That's why I'm giving blood in a professional lab. So if you want to get your blood checked, hormones, liver, kidneys, you never know what's going on the inside, give us a call at 727-389-3220. Say you've seen John here and you want to get your blood checked. Also, check us out on YouTube, Titan Medical Center. Keep it locked to Instagram and Facebook, and check our website out, titanmedicalcenter.com. I'm John from Titan, and I'm out.